गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णू गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः. श्री स्वामी समर्थ महाराज की जय. जय जिजाऊ, जय भवानी, छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराज की जय. Namaste everyone. Basanskar kids from Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth USA will be performing a pawada about Rajmata Jizau and Bal Shivaji.
This pawada is a humble attempt to showcase how Jizamata sculpted Bal Shivaji at a young age to become an extraordinary and visionary leader of the great Maratha Empire, Chhatrapati of the Hindavi Swarajya.
Let's cheer for them.
Okay, so you got this. Tamia. That was. I need water so bad.
Why did you drink it?
I did, but I still need. No. Instead of saying about.
महाराष्ट्र कुलस्वामिनी राष्ट्रमाता राजमाता जिजाऊ यांच्या पवित्र पावन स्मृतींना वंदन करून सादर करीत आहोत पोवाडा स्वराज्य जननी जिजामाता. सादर करते शिवशाहीर संतोष साळुंके, शाहीर महाराष्ट्राचा व सहकारी.
ओम नमो भवानी माते, ओम नमो भवानी माते. ओम नमो भवानी माते, तुझ्या आशीर्वादे कृपा प्रसादे शाहिराचा साज पुन्हा चढला.
शाहिराचा साज पुन्हा चढला, शाहिराचा साज पुन्हा चढला.
सूरतालाचा खेळ मांडला,
सूरतालाचा खेळ मांडला, सूरतालाचा खेळ मांडला.
जिजामातेच गुण गाण्याला जी जी जी.
जिजामातेच गुण गाण्याला जी जी, जिजामातेच गुण गाण्याला जी जी जी.
प्रतिभवानी रूप देवीच तशी जिजामाऊली,
तशी जिजामाऊली, तशी जिजामाऊली.
रयतेचा सांभाळ कराया सदा तीच धावली.
जीर जिर हा जिरर जी, जीर जिर हा जिरर जी, हे जी हे जी हे जी.
स्वाभिमानान स्वत्वाचा तिनं शिकविला धडा,
तिनं शिकविला धडा, तिनं शिकविला धडा.
स्वराज्याच्या काजासाठी केला मावळा खडा.
जीर जिर हा जिरर जी, जीर जिर हा जिरर जी, हे जी हे जी हे जी.
देव देश आणि धर्माच्या रक्षणासाठी, राष्ट्राच्या उद्धारासाठी, बहुत जनांच्या उत्थानासाठी, परकीय सत्ता हद्दपार करण्यासाठी, महाराज शहाजी राजांच्या स्वप्नातील स्वकीयांचं हिंदवी स्वराज्य उभं करण्यासाठी, तिला पुत्राचा तेजस्वी तपस्वी शिवाजी राजा केला तयार
शिवाजी राजा केला तयार शिवाजी राजा केला तयार
मावळे वीर आणि सरदार
मावळे वीर आणि सरदार मावळे वीर आणि सरदार
उठविण्या अन्यायाचा बाजार जी जी जी
उठविण्या अन्यायाचा बाजार जी जी उठविण्या अन्यायाचा बाजार जी जी जी
वीर पत्नी शहाजी राजांची प्रेरिका ही स्वराज्याची माय झाली महाराष्ट्राची गुरु झाली शिवरायांची भक्ती शक्ती आणि त्यागाची जिजाऊ मूर्ती न्यायाची जिजाऊ मूर्ती न्यायाची नव्हे किरदादा
अन्नदादार जिरदा जिर जी जी अन्नदादार जिरदा जिर जी जी अन्नदादार जिरदा जिर जी जी
3.5 शक्तीपीठ साडेतीन शक्तीपीठ नांदती हित याच चरणात हीच ज्ञानेश्वरी हीच गाथा
हीच ज्ञानेश्वरी हीच गाथा हीच ज्ञानेश्वरी हीच गाथा
मराठ्यांची हीच भगवद्गीता
मराठ्यांची हीच भगवद्गीता मराठ्यांची हीच भगवद्गीता
स्वराज्य जननी जिजामाता जी जी जी
स्वराज्य जननी जिजामाता जी जी स्वराज्य जननी जिजामाता जी जी जी
आम्ही महाराष्ट्र शाहीर मावळे वीर जग जाहीर लातूरकर शिवप्रभूंचे आम्ही होदास
शिवप्रभूंचे आम्ही होदास शिवप्रभूंचे आम्ही होदास
शाहीर संतोष करी कवनास
शाहीर संतोष करी कवनास शाहीर संतोष करी कवनास
मुजरा हा आमुचा जिजाऊ चरणास जी जी जी
मुजरा हा आमचा जिजाऊ चरणास जी जी मुजरा हा आमचा जिजाऊ चरणास जी जी जी
राष्ट्रमाता राजमाता जिजाऊ की जय
You need to be like happy. You need to be like excited.
Hello. Wow, what an inspiring and insightful performance featuring Pawara to show how Jizamata molded Bal Shivaji into Sriman Yogi Janata Raja.
This was only possible due to sanskar Bal Shivaji had received from his mother and his gurus.
So, what exactly are sanskar?
Sanskar are the values essential for the spiritual and moral development of an individual and are believed to influence one's character, actions, thoughts, and view of the world throughout their life. His Holiness Guru Mauli, head of Akhil Bharatiya Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth, has guided us through his nectar words about the importance of sanskar. As His Holiness Guru Mauli Ji says, संस्कार केले तर संस्कृती टिकेल, संस्कृती टिकली तर धर्म टिकेल, आणि धर्म टिकला तर राष्ट्र टिकेल. Which means if sanskar and values are passed on, then the culture will survive. If the culture survives, then the religion will survive. And if the religion survives, the nation will survive.
Wow, such a profound thought. I am now extremely curious to know more about His Holiness Guru Mauli Ji and what is Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth. Who was Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj? How or where did he appear?
For those of you who want to know about Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj and his heritage, now the Bal Sanskar kids will present information about Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj and Akhil Bhartiya Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth.
Swami Samartha. Dear devotees, Bhagavan Vishnu has incarnated himself in various forms for the benefit of mankind. Out of these, the incarnation of Bhagavan Sri Dattatreya is to give direction to the entire world as their mentor in the world of Jagatguru. Sri Dattatreya incarnated himself as Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj in AD 1149 and traveled through China, Malaysia, Singapore, and India for over 229 years. Later, Swami Maharaj took birth as Bhagwan Sri Sripad Vallabh in AD 1378 in Pithapuram, Andhra Pradesh, and helped people in removing superstitious beliefs. In AD 1528, Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj took birth as Bhagwan Sri Nrsimha Saraswati in the village Karanjam, Maharashtra. He guided people and created holy places like Audumbe, Nrsimha Chivadi, and Sri Ganagapur.
After years of travel through India, in 1856 AD, Swami Samartha Maharaj finally settled on Akkalkot, Maharashtra and stayed there for 22 years. During his travel and stays at various places, Swami Samartha Maharaj became the guru of many divine souls and saints like Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, Sri Sai Baba of Shirdi, Sri Gajanan Maharaj of Shegaon, Swami Nrsimha Saraswati of Arandi, Shankar Maharaj and Jangli Maharaj of Pune, and the list goes on. The Dindori Pranit model of service was laid down directly by Bhagwan Sri Swami Samartha Maharaj. This work was carried forward by Sri Sadguru Narayan Dada, Sri Pittale Maharaj, Sadguru More Dada, and he is being won now by His Holiness Guru Mauli for over 4 decades now. Sri Sriram Khanderam More is also known as Guru Mauli, the founder and president of Akhil Bharatiya Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth, Maharashtra, India. He is a social reformer, visionary, peace ambassador, and spiritual guru. Since his early childhood, His Holiness Guru Mauli actively engaged in social service and Sri Swami Samartha Seva Marga.
Along with spiritual guidance, His Holiness Guru Mauli continues to spread social and environmental awareness, duties, and service, giving back to the community and the nation as well. In recognition of the contribution to the society by Sri Guru Peeth, Swami Seva Marg and His Holiness Guru Mauli have been honored by Bharat Gaurav Samman at Bharat Mahasthav in Switzerland. The World Book of Records honored his exemplary grassroots transformation. He has also been awarded by Bharat Seva Ratna and Vijaya Ratna Gold Medal Award for his social work in India. Maharashtra government honored him with Kulbhushan Award for remarkable work in agriculture science and water scarcity management program.
It is under the guidance of His Holiness Guru Mauli, Sri Swami Samartha Guru Peeth is working via 18 different programs and initiatives in India and across the globe to address a variety of human problems by various means, which include spiritual guidance, counseling sessions, Garbha Sanskar, Shishu Sanskar, parenting sessions from industry experts, Bala Sanskar, which is value-aided education for kids, youth empowerment through sessions like career guidance and development, Vastu Shastra, Ayurveda and its benefits for a healthy lifestyle, women empowerment,
environmental awareness, tree plantation, water conservation, and Indian culture and heritage. Along with spirituality, we also focus through monthly artis and various events that celebrate Indian culture and heritage, science behind our festivals, and we also celebrate and introduce stories of prominent historic figures including saints, warriors, kings and queens, freedom fighters, as well as scientists and their contributions to India and society. Teachings and stories of Rajmata Jizau and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj are always leading the way. Everywhere in the world, Sri Swami Samartha Gurupeeth Seva Centers are driven by the basic principle of 20% spirituality and 80% social work. These centers are promoting sanskars, moral values, and community service via 18 different programs and initiatives, free of cost to everyone. The main motive is working selflessly for the nation, human welfare, and to help and unite everyone so that our rich Indian culture and heritage can be carried forward.
Shri Swami Samartha, everyone. Thank you to our Bal Sevakari kids. They have given you good information about our Seva Marga. I would like to thank you, Vijay ji, to give this our Bal Sevakari to this opportunity and provide this information to everyone you. I would like to take this advantage. We have stall here, 3940. Please visit there and have more information and take this opportunity in your life. Thank you so much. Shri Swami Samartha. Shri Swami Samartha. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, Swami Samartha Group. On behalf of SMAP, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj America Parivar, I really thank them from the bottom of my heart. This is our future, and if they continue our culture and heritage, the heritage will continue. If they don't, it won't. So thank you. Please give them a big round of applause. I also want to draw your attention to what's happening around you. You see a message of unity and leadership flying, and that's a message from Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. On this 350th anniversary, you see a helicopter up